How to make only friends or friends can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends or friends can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and go down again. Here you will find apps and websites. Click on it and click all the versions of Facebook for mobile, and now all you need to do is just select this one here, friends of friends, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.